We're on the dyno today for nostalgia, sanity, and funsies.
I may have just not been revving it far enough out to feel the shift. LS car. Probably 6-7 pound. I think they're 5-pound gauge, but I don't remember. 600 wheel for a 9-inch 400, basically an A is that.
I'm wondering if we should bother too low to even try to dial it in for anything. It's got to be at least 20, I think, to bother finding timing.
You're never going to run it down there.
No.
What?
And we know at 5 psi it wanted that 5 degrees. We don't know how much of it, but whatever.
Right.
So if we do 20, and then we can just interpolate through the 10 and 15. I don't want to waste a bunch of time on that shit.
Was that 11 psi?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm looking at. That would be a hot one. That'd be better for me.
Okay. That was 18 pounds, so it's close enough to 20.
You need to roll in harder.
Slower.
Okay.
You're like stabbing it from idle practice.
Okay.
You can bring it up to like that $4 grand and then just kind of
Okay.
one of those.
Okay.
Just so we get a better start of the test. It won't affect the power number up top.
Okay. Alright. So it picked up 40-ish.
50.
50 with 2 degrees. That's, so that didn't like it.
We'll do 2 more.
When they pull that plug, we just put in. Just get a timing mark off it.
No, let's do 1 more with 2 more degrees, get some more heat on it.
Okay.
Then we can check fuel.
Was that the same boost?
Yeah.
Dial in the boost, and then we're gonna get lunch. So that was still 18 psi?
Yeah, 18 pounds.
Just turning up timing?
Yeah. Just cranking 2 degrees in it and see where it lays off and then start. I thought I heard a pop. What?
It's got to be a can difference from the last can. So 7250, I wanted 6% more fuel.
7250?
It'd be nice to dial it in at 30, and then if you dial it in at 40, then the whole mat's done.
Are we happy?
I'm happy so far.
Yeah, I'd say we throw a degree in it, but we don't test it, we just move on. So how much much boost you want to go on the next one?
I said we have 10 go.
Yeah.
35. We're gonna be within 10 psi just for those letting out, in my opinion.
This was still 30 psi, but more timing. You picked up 100 over last year?
100 at the same boost as last year.
15.
How?
Better cam cap.
Better air.
Better air.
Wow.
Well, I don't mean like air correction factor shit.
I
Like you
gave
don't have
Kevin
exhaust.
burgers before he decided to grab the laptop.
Oh yeah, that's off. 34 pounds of boost, but
We're blowing couplers off. We're still making boost. That needs more fuel.
he's happy now.
Yeah. That was the number I was going for, but I didn't want to tell him. It doesn't sound like I'm in Compton anymore.
So it runs better?
Oh yeah. Well, it used to when I used to get on the two-step, it'd just pop and bang because it was a little lean, and it would. I mean, people didn't know if they were at a drag strip or Chicago.
Well, today was super fun at the dyno. I can't stay away. I mean, horsepower is always going to have a place in my heart. But this weekend, it is time to finally get ready for some cow action. If you like emotional damage and horsepower, please like this video or subscribe. I may just have a Mighty Max hanging around that I might put back together.